Hello students, good morning. Myself Nimisha Mehta. Welcome back to our St. Thomas High School, Maua. In our previous lecture, we seen Unit 4, Manners, a Character Certificate. Do you know that behavior, good behavior and manners first start at home? In page number 12 and 13, we should learn the rules of good behaviors. The lessons begin at home. When we wake up in the morning, we should arrange our beds properly. From home only, no? Okay. We must respect our elders. Never forget to use the word please and thank you wherever you talk to people. It's a courtesy words. Whenever someone helps us, we always thank them. And whenever we do mistake, always use please, sorry. Understand, no? This is a part of manners. Okay. It is important that we stand in a queue to get into a bus. Once inside, it is not good to rush for a seat, pushing others aside. Do not write on the seats or spoil it. Many children spoil the bus seats, tear the seat covers, and also write something on this backside of seat. It's not good. Shouting out to one's friends or talking loudly must be avoided so as not to disturb others. Some are shouted, disturbing others. This is not good. Good manners in the classroom include getting up and greeting the teacher when he or she enters. It's a courtesy, bachche. When the teacher enters in the classroom, you should stand up and greet them as per good morning, good afternoon. Understand, no? We follow only. It is important to reach the school on time. Students coming late disturb the class. Disturbing and distressing others is to be avoided. Laughing at the mistakes or doubts of others is very bad. Many times, teachers scolded any student, corrected them, then others, remaining children, laughing on them. This is not good. Bad manners. One should ask or answer questions very politely. Raise up your finger and whenever your turns come, then stand up and ask politely. It's a good manner. There is nothing as great and pleasant as a friend. We can be comfortable and familiar with our friends, but at the same time we must respect them. Our duty also. We must respect them, their belongings and their families. Take care of their toys and books. A good friend is a person we love and respect. After all, friendship is the coming together of two hearts. Having no best friend. Okay, bachche. Therefore, there must be love and loyalty. The playground is a part of the school. There are rules to observe even when we play. Many times PT teacher takes no for playing on the playground. Few students are fighting, speaking bad words on each other, very bad. सो बच्चे, wherever you are, at home, in the school, in the classroom, at the playground, behave well, well disciplined. There are rules to observe even when we play. It is very important to develop the spirit of sportsmanship and treat a game like a game and not a fierce battle to be fought in a hostile manner. We go for playing, then why should we fight? We play our game in good manners. It is a not field. It is a not war. Understand no? Yes, it is a not battlefield. It does not matter whether you win or lose. हार जीत तो होती है गेम में. Understand no? Yes. A game is a game. Do not feel over jubilant if you win and don't cry if you lose. लॉस हो जाते तो रोने की कोई बात नहीं है. Get next time. Get chance next time. There is no place for pride on a playground, but be free with praise. If someone does well, we have to reward them. Those who are win. Understand no? It is to your credit to give credit. Above all, one should not fight on the field. Enjoy your playing your game with your friends, with your classmates, wherever you are. Understand, बच्चे? Regarding your voice, it's a main point. Speak softly, sweetly and gently. You don't have to shout to be heard. You can make people pay attention to your personality. They understand you with your voice. So, keep your voice down, speak clearly, make your meaning clear. Then they can understand properly. If you mumble, no one will understand what you are saying and will finally lose interest in what you are saying. You are simply mumbling. Then no one understands. They do not keep attention in your talk. So keep clearly, softly. A person with good manners will stand out on every occasion. He will be noticed wherever he is. They understand you. They noticed you. Understand? It is therefore necessary that you must pick up and practice good manners and avoid all possible bad manners. So, बच्चे one by one question answer find out from this textbook lessons. Why are good manners so important? What is good manners? All exercises I send with PDF. Write down in your notebook and follow this. Good manners should have. Okay, बच्चे. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.